Hello, and welcome to another newsletter from Construction Programs and Results. I'm Michael Stone, and I will be sharing our newsletter with you. Our new book, Estimating Construction Profitably, will hopefully be shipping next week. The ebook is available now, and we just received a sample book from the printer. The rest are hopefully arriving this next week. We only have about 50 copies of the first printing still available, so if you'd like a copy, then it would be good to order it now. There are so many things that need to be done, so many things that can and do go wrong, that you learn quickly in publishing, that you do everything one step at a time, one day at a time. Eventually it gets done right and ready to ship. We see the light at the end of the tunnel, and it isn't another train. The book is almost done, and we hope you can put it to good use. Our newsletter today is the introduction for estimating construction profitably. Over the years, I've heard from many contractors who wanted to get better at estimating. Some were general contractors building either remodeling or new construction. Some were specialty contractors, and others were performing service or maintenance work. They all had a desire to make as much profit as they could from their work, and they knew that better estimating was the key. That's why we wrote this book. It's a guide to estimating, or more accurately, a guide to creating your estimating system. When you have a system of estimating that you follow consistently, you'll do a better job of estimating. And when you do a better job of estimating, of course, your jobs will be more profitable. Estimating is the process of taking what you know today and to project what will happen in the future. But you aren't in charge of the future. There are millions of variables that are outside your control. A consistent system combined with diligence and focus and a little common sense will get your estimating error factor down under 2%. And that's a reasonable error factor because no estimate is perfect. When you establish a system of estimating and follow it, you'll do the same thing the same way every single time. And when you do that, it's easier to look at every aspect of a job from top to bottom, beginning to end, and not miss anything. Estimating is a job. It isn't a hobby. It's work. It takes dedication, focus, and practice to get it right. It's not about the numbers. It's about the discipline of finding and following your system. Well, I've been in this business a long time. My focus has been on residential remodeling with some new homes and commercial work thrown in for good measure. I've stuck to what I know best. However, this book was written to show you a system for estimating, regardless of the type of work you're estimating. The system matters, the type of work doesn't. This book doesn't guarantee a profit on the jobs you estimate from this point forward, and it doesn't guarantee perfect estimates. It's up to you to do the work. I'll cover a lot of details in this book, and so take what works for you. If you want to get better at estimating, however, the one thing isn't optional, and that's checking your estimate against the actual job cost of the job when complete. It's a critical part of estimating because it's how you improve your accuracy. You learn from both the good numbers and the bad. When your estimated costs are reasonably accurate and you're using the correct markup for your business, you can be confident that you're charging the right price for your work. The right price gives you enough money to cover all your job costs, your overhead expenses, and make at least an 8% net profit. I've taught classes on business management, estimating, and sales to contractors in 46 states and 3 Canadian provinces, with the goal of giving them the tools to build a more profitable construction-related business. I hope this book provides you another tool you can use to strengthen your business. Thanks again for watching, and may the profits be with you.